Right in the face.
Alright, Brian, let's go.
Point it away from me this time. Get ready to put your finger over it.
Okay. Oh, that?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
Mine's not even leaking.
Let's go. Ready?
Oh! Not even. Oh my God.
What are you drinking from the hole, nigga?
Is that what you said?
Shut up. What's going on?
They're trying to poke holes in beer cans and suck it out.
Thank you, Amanda.
Posted in their eye.
Shut up, Joe.
Oh, it's video. You don't have to keep posing.
And I can't like go like this because I got tripped in mascara and eyeliner.
That's going straight to Facebook.
Oh my God.
I don't have Facebook, so I'm gonna have to send it to someone so they can.
Send it to Amanda.
She won't put it up.
She might. Yeah, she will.
Tonight, if she's still drinking, she will. Tomorrow, she might take it back down.
I'll put it up and tag Jeremy. Oh my God. I think I'm drunk.
I am drunk.
What a man, what a man. Yeah, there's no way. I didn't get a big enough hole. Ah! That's what she said.